Welcome to Adrice's Kitchen 6-9. I'm so excited about this recipe my girlfriend told me about that's floating over the internet. Chicken in a watermelon, y'all. Oven roasted or oven cooked. Thanks, Bonita, for the recipe. Let me show you the ingredients. Here's the watermelon. You cut it in half. You cut the top off and you gut it out. Look at it. It fits so perfectly on top, right? Let me show you the other ingredients. What we're going to do is marinate overnight. Here, look at my pot of gold. The chicken inside of it. You're going to use some kosher sea salt, coarse, tumeric, half a cup of soy sauce, lemon, 1 orange, half a stick of unsalted butter, because you don't want it too salty. And we're going to use our Sneevy's Love That Barbecue Spice, y'all. Yes, because it got so many seasonings. And it has that hickory smoked salt. Yes. So overnight, marinate with water and the salt and the soy sauce. As you can see, I've already pre-seasoned her. Isn't she a beauty? Such a baby. And I'm going to sit her right over in there inside this watermelon. Now, you're going to take a bowl and heat up that half a stick of butter. And you're going to inject in the thick parts that butter. It may not need it, but what the heck? Let's try it, right? I'm changing the recipe. And you're going to you're going to put some more of that Love That Sneevy's barbecue spice. Oh, I forgot. Cut up this orange. Put it and the lemon. Slice it up a little bit. I'm just moving fast because I don't want a long video. Okay? So there we go. Look how perfectly she sits in there, y'all. Yes. And then you put the top right on her. And you're going to need 4 skewers to hold her down. Because I'm going to smoke mine on the grill. Let me show you. Oh, let me show you. I've been smoking her for about 4 hours. And the temperature gauge says that she is at 165. Yes, doesn't she look delicious? Look at that top. Ooh, I can't wait to get into her. Oh, I took the top off of her. Oh, man. Doesn't she smell delicious, Steve?
Yeah, baby.
Ooh, I'm going to take a little slice because I can't wait. Yummy, yummy for your tummy, y'all. Oh, it's so delicious and juicy and moist. Ooh. That kind of chicken goes well with a cold mug of Heineken, y'all, right? Oh, well, that watermelon and the chicken is delicious, y'all. Easy peasy recipe. If you would like some of our Sneevy's Love That Barbecue Spice, go to sunmoonproducts.com. Order you. And ship it out to you. Beautiful recipe, y'all. Try it. Enjoy.